Chevy is killing off the Bolt EV and the EUV. Let's talk about it. This morning I got an email from Chevrolet that reads, "Because you are so important to us, aw Chevy, we want to bring you first-hand news that we will no longer be producing the Bolt EV and EUV. Ah, Chevy." Now I find this a big bummer because the Bolt EV, for its flaws that it has, it's really a great car. It's also a very affordable car. So here are the possible reasons that I came up with as to why they are killing off the Bolts. The Ultium battery platform is going to be the types of batteries that they use from now on, and the Bolts use the older battery type. Maybe it's going to cost them more to keep that Bolt body and upgrade the batteries. But I think the real reason why they're doing this is there is more profit to be made in bigger cars. Now, if you live in America, you know that we love our big cars. And by we, I'm not actually including me because I really don't like bigger cars in general. I've heard that auto manufacturers make more money selling bigger cars. They're not that much more expensive to create, but they can sell it for a lot more money and make more profit. So I think that's the real reason that they're killing off the Bolt. I hope that they have another compact vehicle in the works. At the LA Auto Show last year, there was not a compact EV that they had on display. They had the Blazer, the Equinox, and Silverado, but that doesn't mean that there isn't a compact car in the pipelines. I do think having the Bolt EV and the EUV was a little bit pointless. They're almost the exact same car. So I think it would have made sense to kill one off, but not both. Something that does irk me with this whole thing is GM and other companies are trying to be more friendly to the environment. Having bigger cars is not that great. You're gonna need more resources with rare earth minerals that are used for the batteries, more material in general for a bigger car. The car is going to need more electricity for that bigger battery, and the bigger car is less aerodynamic, so it's going to be less efficient. So overall, I just think it's not a great idea to have a bigger car, unless you really need it. And I know a lot of people out there really do need a bigger car, but I think probably even more people don't need a bigger car. If 90% of your driving is just taking yourself from point A to point B, do you really need a Chevy Silverado? Or maybe you tow a boat once a year. Do you really need that truck for the one time a year? Maybe you can rent a truck. For myself, the Bolt was basically the perfect size. I could fit all of my musical equipment that I need, and when I'm not hauling stuff, it's not that big of a car. Now, technically, maybe I could probably get away with having a motorcycle for 90% of my driving. Bye. And then having my Bolt for the rest. But I don't have the space for that. I don't have the money for that. So unfortunately, something like a compact car is the best I can do right now. So what are your thoughts on GM killing off the Bolts? Do you think it's a good idea? Do you think they're going to replace it with another compact vehicle? Let me know in the comments. And if you've stuck around this long, thank you, you rock. I am going to be going to Japan for 3 weeks, and I want to know if there's anything that you guys want to see EV-wise from Japan. I'm planning on doing something on the bullet train and just seeing the overall status of electric vehicles in Japan now. Last time I was there was 2019, and I saw a Lamborghini, but I did not see one Tesla that whole time I was there. So let me know if there's anything you're interested in as far as the status of EVs in Japan. And stay tuned for some videos on my Bolt EV and the Bolt EUV that I rented. I will be coming out with some review videos hopefully soon. For some reason, I've been stuck on these videos for a long time. So send me some encouragement. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for sticking around.